G'day YouTubers, this will be a video on how to install aftermarket handlebars. The first part of this video is how to remove the existing grip. This is especially useful if you're going to be reusing the current grips. To make this grip removal tool, take a 1 to 2mm thick metal bar and put two 90-degree bends in it as shown in the picture. So move to the clutch side of the bike and remove the end weight. Insert the long end of the grip removal tool between the grip and the handlebars. Now push the tool about 3/4 of the way up the grip. While holding the long section of the grip removal tool in one hand and the short section in the other hand, rotate the tool. The tool should begin to rotate around the grip, which will break the glue adhesion. Next, using the metal rod, lift it up so you can spray some lubrication between the grip and the handlebars. This will make it easier to remove. Rotate the tool around and repeat the process. The grip should come off the handlebars fairly easily at this point. Move to the right side of the bike. Now remove the right hand end weight. Next, undo the brake lever and master cylinder assembly and remove. Don't undo the brake line from the brake master cylinder. Undo the two Phillips head screws at the back of the starter switch. Then undo the two Phillips head screws at the back of the throttle assembly. While removing the starter switch assembly, take note of the little plastic knob that locks into the handlebar. This will need to be removed, which I'll show later in the video. Now remove the zip ties to free the cables from the handlebars. These are reusable. Moving to the left hand side of the bike, remove the screws in the base of the choke indicator switch assembly so it's loose. This and the left mirror mount will need to be slid off the handlebar. Next, undo the 12mm bolts for the handlebars and remove. Now slide the throttle tube off the right side and then the indicator switch assembly and left mirror bracket off the left side of the handlebars. This will take some jiggling. Now it's time to install the handlebars. Take the new handlebar and basically reverse the process. Start by sliding on the mirror mounts, the starter switch, assemblies and throttle grip. I began to start fixing these back to the handlebars. This is when I realised that there were positioning knobs for the switch assemblies, as can be seen in the video.
See that? There's a hole in the handlebar right here.
Next, remove the plastic knobs from the switches. I cut them out and filed them down, which seemed to work fine. They don't swivel on the handlebars at all if the screws are tightened up well enough. Once this is done, finish off putting everything back together and re-glue the clutch grip to the handlebars. And finally, remember, make sure all the bolts and screws have been properly tightened before use.